Is it important to focus on EV now? The answer is absolutely yes. They should have done it yesterday. And I will keep referring to my good friend Anmol. He is amongst the few in the world to have created a full stack solution, including the EV charging infrastructure. So there are many firsts that he has taken. So, he's a wonderful businessman. And, and I always tell him it is your values and the blessings of your parents which are helping you get the tailwinds. And that's what I would say. So I was recently reading an article on the EV readiness, which is a project done by BP. So I've covered the question of philosophy. Why is needed? It is needed yesterday, not today. And why is EV not taking off? So there are three things that have been highlighted by the BP and Economist report. It says it is the high price. So they give an example of, in UK, and somehow the differential between India and India EV and ICE is coming down. Will it come down significantly? The answer is absolute yes. So once we get to $145 per kilowatt hour to 100 kilowatt hour, things will be better. Today, the total cost of operation in, let's say, UK is tilted against the EV. But as things improve, it will come back to normal. In India, the numbers may be different. It could be 1:1 or 0.5:1. The struggle is that, what we really look at life of the asset is 3 or 4 or 5 years. What we forget that the EV has a, phenomenal lifetime. So the repairs that are needed, the loss of revenue that will happen in case of EV is much, much lesser. So we do the calculations based on a spreadsheet model, which is not a realistic and, a realistic model. Okay. So that is one question. Then battery range is always a question mark, which is going to increase. So I had a friend of mine who's talking about 3,000 cycles being possible now and fast charging. So lack of charging options. So all of these problems are going to get solved. So there was a question in this survey, 24% of people want to switch to EV in 25, 44% by 30. If you had asked this question, let's say maybe a couple of years ago, it would have been, I don't need EV, right? So the trend towards buying an EV, whether personal or for, the solutions like BlueSmart is going to go up. Why now? So I would say that India is in a unique position because China is trying to become the supplier to the world. And the way they have grown, so the desire to own an EV in China is 47%, right? And this is driven by the ecosystem that has been created by the government, supported by the government to drive EV. And what they also recognize, the Chinese recognize that they will take another 20 years to compete with the, to the ICE engine to be the benchmark. So they have chosen a different way of being a leader in the EV space. And they are going to build, all of these ecosystem in China to be the base of the world again, like they were for the manufacturing. So they will like to become that for India and the advantage for the world. So India has an opportunity because it is computer on wheels. So we are, and I'm trying to run through because it's already showing 1 minute and 38 seconds. So computer on wheels is what the cars are today. And therefore, India has the huge advantage of being a software player. Why EV now from an investor perspective? So, this has become the flavor of the day. The valuation of EV companies will be almost close to $1.5 to $1.8 trillion today, right? Oh. And the interesting piece is that the people can launch EV even if you are a non-EV player. Sure. One of the guys who's going to come in big time from the ICE engine space is going to be Volkswagen, because they are now building their business around the battery and not around the engine, right? So I think I have covered most of it. So why now? The system is evolving. India has the advantage to play a big role here, to become a standard. First mover will always have an advantage, like in In US, there were 250 manufacturers, only 3 remained. Branding will be important. We have software advantage. I've already said the tailwinds are in our favor. Regulation, battery prices, right? And people are loving so, there is a business case for profit and there's a business case for purpose. So thank you so much. I think, well within time.